In a world where manufacturers like you strive to shape the future, you need a business that understands your industry, your goals, and your potential. A like-minded collaborator who works with you to turn yes into reality and unlock that next challenge, that next opportunity, that next innovation. As a CEO, Syspro's ERP system provides all the critical information you need when you need it. A glance of the dashboard reveals weekly sales, targets, and inventory levels. Forecasts and performance are laid out visually, so you always have your finger on the pulse of the company. For decades, Syspro ERP has helped manufacturers like you transform your business, empower you to seize new opportunities, and shape your future. Experience the difference Syspro can make to your business to explore new possibilities and overcome challenges. Say yes to starting a new relationship and yes to taking your business to the next level, because unlocking next is where the magic happens. That's the power of saying yes to next with Syspro.